We've taken two classics, the jacket potato and the cottage pie, and amalgamated the two to make the spud pie. Here's what you'll need. Poke the potatoes with a fork, microwave for 10 minutes, give them a good oil and add salt and pepper. Now pop your spuds into a preheated oven on 180 degrees for 60 minutes. Chop the veggies and the garlic nice and fine so they fit into the potato. Pop them into a pan on a medium heat for 10 minutes or until soft, continually stirring so they don't burn. When the veggies are done, turn up the heat and drop in your mince. When the meat is cooked, simply add in the rest of the ingredients and season to your liking. Let it cook while the potatoes do their thing in the oven. When the spud's done, instead of cutting it down the middle as you would do normally, take a spoon and create a nice little porthole. Be careful when scooping the innards out and don't take all the potato. Salt and pepper into the mash, add some butter and mash away. Pour the pre-mixture into the jacket potatoes and carefully layer some mash on top. Sprinkle loads of cheese. Right, it's time to whack these little badgers in the oven. 180, 20 minutes. There you have it, spud pie. Something tasty for your tummy to keep you nice and warm on bonfire night. So, as it's nearly Halloween, I thought today I'd show you... Oh, my finger. Only kidding! It's time to make sickly severed fingers.